Hey everyone, Stavan here and welcome back to my channel Riding High Tides with India. And you must have seen the thumbnail. So I have clubbed two different topics in one video because both the topics are short in length. So I thought to make one video on these both the topics. So without further delay, let's get it started. So the first topic for today's video is the benefits of using these premium petrols that is available nowadays. So if I say then there is a drastic change in their role, because earlier, before the implementation of E20 policy, I would say, we used to get premium petrol to boost the performance because they were having higher octane number, then they were having certain percentage of additive package also, and we were getting clean combustion, right, better performance from the engine, and at the same time we were getting a better mileage also. But the things were changed after the implementation of E20 policy across the India. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we used to get the power petrols or premium petrols, right, to boost the performance of our engines. But now their role has been shifted. So from performance to protection. But now, after the implementation of E20 policy across the India, even normal petrol has octane number of 95. So if you are buying premium petrol just to get a better octane number, then it is not a wise choice. So the question is why one should fill a premium petrol. So I will give you some reasons why premium petrols are better as compared to the normal petrol in a current scenario. So the very first thing, premium petrol do contain a certain amount of detergent. So as all of us are knowing that ethanol may produce some corrosion in the fueling line and injector as well as the fuel pump and other components of engine. So you have to keep your entire fueling system clean from the any kind of corrosion, right? So these premium petrol do contain a certain amount of detergent, and that detergent keeps your fueling line and engine components clean. So this is the very first reason they do contain detergent. Then second, they do contain anti-corrosion agent. So it will prevent corrosion and it will clean even corroded parts also. So they do contain anti-corrosive agent. And the third one, they do contain anti-knocking as well as anti-friction agents also. So due to anti-knocking agents, you will get a clean combustion and you will be getting a better performance from your vehicles. And with the help of anti-friction agent, we can feel that little bit smoothness has been increased in our vehicle. So these are the major reason why you should go for premium petrol, because they do contain additive package, and different petroleum company use a different additive package. So if I can give you an example of GOBP, so they are having their additive package from the British Petroleum. Then for IOC, it is from the France-based Total Lubricant. For HP, it is the American derived technology. I'm not sure about Naira and BP. Bharat Petroleum was using some MAC lubricant technology, but I am not sure. These companies are having their own additive package, but you can save a lot of money if you are using aftermarket fuel additive. And I tell you the reason. Say for example, if I am refueling XP95, right, which is costlier by 6 to 7 rupee per liter in my city. So suppose मैं 10 लीटर पेट्रोल उसमें रिफ्यूल करवाता हूँ, राइट, व्हीकल में. So it will cost me around 60 to 70 rupee more on every tank full. So if I am buying aftermarket fuel additive, so some good brands are available in the market. So you can go for the Iptex products also. So they are here in the business since last 30 years, and I am personally using their products since last 10 years, and they are of very good quality. So this bottle will cost you around 250 to 350 rupee in between, and that will last for at least 300 liters of petrol or diesel. So what I am trying to say, by buying these fuel additives which are available in aftermarket, you can save a lot of money. So in bike, it is hardly 60 to 70 rupee of difference in bike or in scooter. But if we talk about cars and bigger SUVs, right, so their petrol tank or diesel tank is about 45 to 60 liter of capacity. So just multiply 6 rupee with the 40 liter, right? So it will be easily 200 to 250 rupee per tank full. So this was all about premium petrol, whether you should use it or not. So in my opinion, you should use a premium petrol only. And if you are not using premium petrol, then you can buy these aftermarket fuel additive. Now let's move on to second topic of today's video. So what time is best for refilling your vehicle? So as we know, density is equal to mass by volume, right? So more volume, it means less density, and more density means more performance, more denser fuel, and you will be getting a better mileage also. So during the day, what happens? These petrol tanks, if they are not covered under the shadow, so the petrol or diesel within that tank, so it will expand or contract depending upon the ambient temperature. Means temperature ज़्यादा होगा, then it will expand. Temperature कम होगा, then it will contract. So this change is rapid and it is significant. So let me give you one example. सो सपोज 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस, राइट, 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है, एम्बियंट टेम्परेचर मीन्स एनवायरमेंटल टेम्परेचर, तो पेट्रोल का जो एक्सपांसन है दैट इज़ 1 ml पर लीटर. सो से फॉर एग्जांपल 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर है एंड यू आर रिफ्यूलिंग एट 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस पीक समर टेम्परेचर, राइट, इन द आफ्टरनून. सो 25 टू 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस में 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस का डिफरेंस हुआ, राइट. सो 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 1 ml इंक्रीज होता है, सो 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 20 ml per liter will be more. So if you are refueling 20 liter, so it will be easily 400 ml, right? If you are refueling 40 liter, then it will be 800 ml. If you are refueling 50 liter, then it will be 1 liter. So what I am trying to say, if you are refueling your vehicle in between 11 am to 5 pm or 4 pm, so this particular interval where the temperature will be highest in the 24 hour. तो उस टाइम पे बेसिकली क्या होगा कि डेंसिटी विल बी लेस एंड वॉल्यूम विल बी मोर. तो आप जितना अमाउंट दे रहे हो उतना आपको वॉल्यूम मिलेगा, बट यू वॉन्ट बी गेटिंग दैट क्वालिटी मीन्स डेंसिटी ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर फ्यूल. सो ऑलवेज रिफ्यूल योर व्हीकल इन बिटवीन 9 pm to 8 am in the next day morning, and this will give you a better quality of fuel, means more density, more performance and more mileage from the petrol or diesel. So this was all about today's video. We covered two topics. Topic number 1 was whether you should use a premium petrol or not. So as per my opinion, yes, you should use a premium petrol, and I have suggested you one alternative also. If you are not using premium petrol, then you can go with the normal petrol and use a fuel additive, which will save you a lot of money. And the second thing, always refuel your vehicle in between 9 pm to 8 am in the next day morning. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you find it helpful, then feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel also, and hope to see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and take care.